Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Aim is probably one of the most innovative products I've reviewed this year. It's designed to revolutionize how you approach your daily tasks, offering a seamless and intuitive experience that boosts productivity. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to stay organized, this is a game changer. Stick around as we dive deep into its features and see if it lives up to the hype. Number 5. AIMS 5000 Watt 12V DC Power Inverter. This is the AIMS 5000 Watt 12V DC Power Inverter. It provides reliable power conversion for various applications. It's a powerful and efficient solution for your power needs. This inverter delivers a maximum continuous power output of 5,000 watts. This allows it to handle a variety of devices and appliances. It ensures you have the power you need when you need it. It features an AC Direct Connect terminal for easy and secure wiring. This simplifies the installation process and ensures a stable power connection. This feature enhances the inverter's usability. The inverter includes AC output short circuit protection and over-temperature load LED indicators. These features protect the device and your connected equipment. They provide peace of mind during operation. It has a single cooling fan that operates thermally. This ensures efficient cooling while minimizing noise. The system helps maintain optimal performance. This inverter is pre-wired for a remote on-off switch. This allows for convenient control from a distance. It adds flexibility to your power setup. What we like. This inverter delivers a robust 5000 W of continuous power, perfect for demanding applications. It features an AC Direct Connect terminal for easy setup and a thermally controlled fan for efficient operation. If you need reliable power for tools, appliances, or electronics in your RV, boat, or off-grid setup, this is a solid choice. What people say. AIM is a great product. The design is sleek and modern. It works perfectly. Number 4. AIMS Power 2000W Inverter Charger. This inverter charger delivers a robust 2000 watts of continuous power and a surge of 6000 watts for short durations. It provides clean, pure sine wave power, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. This is perfect for various applications. It supports 8 different battery technologies, including lead, gel, AGM, and LiFePO4. The Smart 70A battery charger keeps your batteries in top condition. This feature ensures versatility and optimal performance. The device is equipped with multiple protection features, such as overload, over-temperature, and short-circuit protection. It also includes low and high voltage alarms for safety. These features ensure the safety of both the device and your connected equipment. It comes with a GFCI outlet, AC Direct Connect terminal block, and a charge current control dial. It also includes dip switches for setting priorities and an autogen start function. The device is designed for convenience and ease of use. This is ideal for homes, boats, RVs, and solar setups. It seamlessly switches between shore power, generator, and inverter power. Its 12V design is more efficient and allows for the use of smaller cables. AIMS Power has been in business for over 20 years. All technical and warranty support is provided in Nevada. You can buy with confidence knowing you're getting a reliable product. What we like. This unit offers pure sine wave power, ensuring compatibility with sensitive electronics. It also includes a built-in charger and automatic transfer switch, making it ideal for seamless power transitions. If you're looking for a comprehensive power solution for your home, RV, or off-grid system that automatically switches between shore power and battery, this is the one. What people say. The AIM is a great product. The design is sleek and modern. It works perfectly. Number 3. KontrolFreek Aim Boost Kit, PS5 PS4. This kit includes performance thumbsticks and precision rings. They are designed to help you make smaller, more precise movements. This allows you to increase your in-game sensitivity. The performance thumbsticks are ergonomically designed. This design improves comfort and reduces wrist, hand, and thumb fatigue. You'll be able to play for longer with less strain. The precision rings are made from a unique material. They add resistance to your stock thumbsticks. This helps you take more accurate shots, even at high sensitivities. Mixed height performance thumbsticks are included in this kit. These help with faster target acquisition and increased precision on the right stick. They also provide better control on the left. The precision rings cushion your stick, adding resistance. This prevents you from overshooting your target. They allow you to react more quickly during battle. What we like. This kit is designed to boost your aiming accuracy and control. The thumbsticks and precision rings work together to enhance your in-game sensitivity and reduce fatigue. If you're a competitive gamer looking to improve your precision and reaction time, you should consider this. What people say. The Aim is a great product. The design is sleek and modern. The features are user-friendly and intuitive. Number 2. Aim Cavity Protection Ultra Mint Gel Toothpaste. This toothpaste effectively prevents cavities and decay, ensuring long-term oral health. It helps to keep your teeth strong and healthy, protecting them from potential problems. Experience a refreshing and enjoyable brushing experience with its cool mint taste. The flavor makes brushing a pleasant part of your daily routine, leaving your mouth feeling fresh. It helps protect teeth from acid erosion and strengthens enamel for durability. This is crucial for maintaining strong teeth and preventing damage from everyday activities. This product removes plaque buildup, freshens breath, and promotes clean teeth and gums. It offers a comprehensive approach to oral hygiene, ensuring a healthy mouth. Enjoy a clean and revitalized feeling after brushing with this toothpaste. It leaves your mouth feeling refreshed and invigorated, making you ready to face the day. What we like. This toothpaste provides effective cavity protection and strengthens your enamel. The refreshing ultra mint flavor makes brushing a pleasant experience. If you want to maintain long-term oral health and enjoy a fresh, clean feeling, you should choose this. What people say. The Aim is a great product. The design is sleek and modern. It works as advertised. Number 1. Aim Fresh Mint Gel Toothpaste 6 ounces, pack of 6. This gel toothpaste is designed to remove surface stains. It freshens your breath and gives you a deep clean feeling. You'll feel cool and invigorated after using it. The fluoride formula strengthens your enamel. This helps prevent cavities and protects against tooth decay. Regular brushing with it will keep your teeth strong and healthy. It whitens your teeth and provides complete oral health support. It protects your enamel and helps maintain a bright smile. You'll enjoy a fresh mint flavor for a cool, refreshing brushing experience. The fresh mint flavor provides a cool, refreshing brushing experience. It leaves your mouth feeling clean and revitalized. You'll love the way it makes your mouth feel. This pack includes 6 6-ounce tubes of toothpaste. It's a great value for your oral hygiene needs. You'll have plenty to keep your smile bright. What we like. This toothpaste cleans and refreshes with a fresh mint gel, while also providing cavity protection. It helps to whiten your teeth and maintain a bright smile. If you're looking for a toothpaste that offers multiple benefits for a clean and healthy mouth, it is a great choice. What people say. Great formula with perfect taste and effectiveness. Keeps breath fresh for a long time and a clean mouth. Whitens and tastes good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.